Hi guys, today I'm playing Grow a Garden in Roblox, and then I'm gonna go and play this. Wait. Guys, someone good gave me this,
Walat gang.
and yeah, here I came back. Wait, see my bone blossom so big. Let's go. Let's see my eldest brother. Okay, I'm leaving the game for a second. Hey, let's collect some burning buds too. Even if this is gonna be a bit short. Kind of big. Hindi ko na po my stuff first before I buy. And if you wanna be my garden, if you wanna be my videos, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Wait. Ayun sa may inventory. Bye, guys.